Welcome to N22 News, your trusted source for global updates and breaking headlines. You're watching N22 News, where every minute counts and every headline matters. After 22 years on air, Jimmy Kimmel Live has been suspended indefinitely. ABC pulled the late-night show after the host's comments about the suspect charged in the assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Kimmel suggested the suspect might have had ties to Trump supporters, sparking outrage. Broadcasters dropped the show, and the FCC signaled possible sanctions. Critics denounce a threat to free speech. Meanwhile, in London, Donald Trump was received with royal pomp. King Charles III welcomed the U.S. president for a state banquet at Windsor Castle. Both leaders praised the special relationship between Britain and America. Major business deals were announced, with billions pledged in AI, quantum technology, and nuclear energy.